We are at the Frontier Trading Post because we are going to get a box of the 50th anniversary history pins. And we're going to open them up for you on camera next. I pulled out 5 boxes. Tia, move them all around. Okay, and I'm going to randomly pick a box. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. And we're going to choose this box right here. We have another pack of 50th anniversary mystery pins, and we just pulled these off the shelf, as you saw, in a random selection. These were $17.99, but with the annual pass discount with tax, they ended up being $15.33.
And you get 2 pins per box.
Let me refresh what we already have. So we have 3 different pins.
Pin number 1.
Oh, that one ripped open easily.
It
I like
actually has
these
little
ones.
notches. It's a different kind of bag.
My eyes are closed and my fingers are up.
Nope.
But I did want that one. That's Mr. Dairy Goods from a veggie, fruit. Yay.
Isn't he also in Food Rocks?
He may also have been in Food Rocks, but I can't confirm that yet.
From veggie, fruit.
So I'm very excited I got that one.
Veggie,
Right now,
fruit,
I'm extremely happy.
Veggie, fruit.
Olay! Cha. Oh! I got this one too! All right. It's the little robot. I don't know his name, but it's a little robot from Communicore.
I certainly don't know his name.
I don't know his name.
He's cute though. He's purple.
He is. All right. I'm excited. 2 pins that we haven't gotten yet. And one is Mr. Dairy Goods from veggie, fruit. And the other one is the little robot from Communicore. All right. We're doing good. We have 5 different pins. And we have 5 more to get.
Oh, Lord.
All right, we're doing good. So far, we only have 1 repeat, and it's the Country Bear. So we're doing good.
Have you been trying to collect the entire set of the Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Mystery Pin set? Let us know in the comments below. Have you completed your set yet? What do you need left to complete your set? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, until next time,
No capes.
veggie, fruit, veggie, fruit, veggie, fruit, veggie, fruit.
Olay!
Cha, cha, cha.
No capes.